The Siemens Digital Worker is a groundbreaking approach for operating plants that allows you to stay ahead of any situation, providing a new level of efficiency, safety, process reliability, and plant availability. It is an open system built to advance how work is done and how success is achieved. The Digital Worker is use case oriented, open and flexible, future-built and sustainable. Imagine a maintenance request by the operator or the maintenance system sent to the responsible staff. This automatically equips the Digital Worker with a repair workflow and all necessary information, such as the manual, technical documentation, or even 3D models. As a Digital Worker, the maintenance or operation personnel in the field is digitally guided to the asset in question, say a pump. The pump gets identified by scanning an RFID. Our Digital Worker has all data on the device to assess the environment of the pump instantly and can proceed to check any deviation from the technical documentation, simply redlining the P&ID or the related document. The maintenance department as well as the maintenance supervisor get all the information instantly, enabling them to give detailed workflow instructions to repair the pump. In case of any problems, a remote expert is available to support the Digital Worker. Once the task is done and every single step has been documented by the Digital Worker, a digital 4-eye check finalizes the task. No reports, documentation, or paperwork are necessary. All information is instantly available to everyone involved in the staff, no matter where they might be at the moment. Every step of the maintenance task is swiftly finished and meticulously documented along the process, making the plant operation both safer and more efficient. Get empowered to perform with the Digital Worker. Get in touch with us to learn how the Siemens Digital Worker takes your plant operation to the next level.